Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Mr.
Ajesh,
You are the author of.
Finding Krishna.
What is one thing about your book you think stands out in its genre or theme?
Well, I don't know what that one thing which stands out, but I would say that it's a book about self-discovery. It's a
Right.
book about a journey. It's a book about devotion and things like that. I wouldn't call it a spiritual book. It's not a religious book, but there is a lot of devotion in it. It's a collection of awakenings.
Okay.
Over a period of time as an artist, I had awakenings happening over many years. And then I put all those together and wrote a book called Finding Krishna.
What are some of the biggest challenges you faced while writing this book?
See, not being a writer, that's what I was talking to somebody here. I don't call myself a writer. Just
Okay.
write one book and you cannot call yourself a writer. I
true.
believe you
Right.
got to write, and then you become a writer.
It's a title that you have to earn, you believe?
Absolutely. It
Right,
cannot
right.
be just taken from somewhere,
That's
right?
true, that's
Yeah, so, okay, I wrote it. It was difficult for me.
Right.
Visualizing it right from the beginning till the end. There are two things about writing, right? Story and storytelling.
True.
Story could be good, but if storytelling is not good,
not
it
good,
becomes a
then-
problem.
Exactly.
Either way. So, yeah, it was an interesting journey, I would say.
So we have a huge community of writers on Instagram. And what is one piece of advice you would give to a budding author?
Confidence. You will not have it, or if you have it, you lose it.
Right.
But keep going. Be confident. Good, bad, ugly.
Right.
You do it.
How did you maintain your confidence?
Through art. I've been
Okay.
painting, drawing, creating art
Right,
installations.
that's very interesting.
I got a website called ajesh.art.
Okay.
So I'm into art installations and stuff like that. So
Right.
yeah.
That's wonderful to hear. Thank you so much for sharing your experience
Thank
with
you.
us, Ajesh. Have a nice day at Book Talk. Thank you so much.